Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you feel adventurous, try replacing the tahini with an equal amount of peanut butter, sunflower seed butter, Greek yogurt, chopped roasted peppers, pitted olives, roasted beets, steamed sweet potato, avocado, or thawed frozen peas, to name just a few possibilities.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The best tahini substitutes: nut butters, cashew, almond, Brazil nut or any combination of the above. Sun butter. Sunflower seed butter also works really well as a tahini substitute. Smooth peanut butter, sesame seeds, sesame oil, Greek yogurt.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Natural peanut butter is a great substitution for tahini when it comes to hummus. Honestly, no one will know otherwise. The peanut butter makes the hummus just as creamy, and seriously, I almost prefer it to tahini.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Homemade is slightly cheaper. I paid $2.99 for a 1-cup container of Sabra's hummus, and around $2.50 for ingredients to make 1.5 cups of homemade. Slight edge to homemade. It took me 10 minutes to make hummus from scratch.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.